Here is a little exercise that I did. It's a photo study. I found the photo on Pinterest, and I really liked the photo of Tilda Swinton, one of my favorite actors. So I did a photo study kind of based on the principle that Tilda Swinton sort of dissolves into the character that she's portraying. So I took some liberties with the original photo and did a sketch. One of the things that I liked about this particular photo was how it resembled in some ways the composition and the lighting for some classic paintings, since I've been doing a lot of Rembrandt studies. The other thing that you'll notice, and I think that this could be because I don't really edit my sketching, my warm-ups, is that things are rough and sometimes ugly before they get pretty. And that is just part of the process that I think oftentimes we really don't understand, that the initial sketches and the warm-ups and the trying to get to the point that your piece portrays what you're trying to portray, whether it's a likeness or an emotion, it's not always pretty. Some things just take a little while to get right. And I'm sure that there are artists who are so confident in their skills that they can just lay down a line and it's beautiful from the start. I have seen people work that way, but that's just not my process. Maybe someday it will be, but given that I've been making art for so long, it's always a struggle. My hands don't always record what my eye sees in the way that I want it to be recorded. So it's a question of how much do I adjust that and how much do I refine before I get to the point where I capture what I'm looking for. Now I'll go ahead and let you enjoy the rest of this video, and hopefully if you enjoyed this, subscribe. I hope you stayed long enough to see the end result.